Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to easily edit all copied text present in Clipboard of any Windows computer. So without further delay, let's begin. So firstly just open any web browser. And in the Google search for one application named as Quick Clipboard Editor. On the first list you'll see its official website. Just click on it. Now you'll see here download option. Just click on it. Now you'll see here download latest version. So you can see click on this option. Now you can download the installer file, which is the exe file, or you can get the portable version. So I'm gonna get the portable version. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Just double click it to extract this zip file. Just open the extracted folder. Now you'll see here 132-bit, 164-bit. So if you're using a Windows 64-bit version, then you can use this 64-bit, and if you're using a Windows 32-bit operating system, then just use this 32-bit. So right now I'm using a 64-bit Windows operating system, so I'm gonna use this 64-bit version. So just double click on it. Now you can see this kind of user interface. So let me try to copy some text. So say let me copy it. Just right mouse click on it. Let me click on this copy. Now you can see it's automatically get copied. So if you want to copy more text, and just select the respective text, let me copy it. So now you can see the first one and the second one. Now if you want to edit, just click on the respective text, and you can use your computer keyboard to remove or add any text. So you can easily add here, and even you can search for the respective text by clicking on this find or replace. You can find the respective word or text directly here, and if you want to copy it, you can just select it all and you can just right mouse click on it. You can copy also respective text, and if you want to save all the copied text present inside this clipboard, then just click on this file and you can save text to file also. You can back up the clipboard, you can restore the clipboard also. So it has a tons of options which you can check out by yourself. So using this cool application named as Quick Clipboard Editor, you can easily edit all copied text present in clipboard of any Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.